Welcome, today I am with OPPO Reno 5 Lite from the European distribution, and we are going to check if this device comes with a factory screen protection. So just take a look on the screen, for example right here for the selfie camera. We can spot here small cutout in this foil. You can spot it when you just slide with your finger in this place. And also you can take a look at the bottom, right here. As you can see, this default protection comes from the edge to the edge, covers whole screen. So yeah, we can find here factory installed screen protection and the OPPO Reno 5 Lite. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.